Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab, because, I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. So this video is not that long. It's just a walk-around video of the auction, just showing y'all the cars that they had today at the sale. And I just want, and really just a video that I want you guys feedback, because I recorded these with these smart glasses that I picked up off of Amazon. And I just want to see what y'all think of the quality of the video, like the camera quality, and what do y'all think of the audio quality. If it's good, just give me, just say good or something. Just comment something, like the video and comment something in the. Because then if there is, then I'll probably start recording more with my smart glasses. And if y'all like the quality of video and audio. All right, now to the video. And I'm testing these smart glasses. I picked them up off of Amazon for like $90. Just gonna see what type of recording they do. We're here today at the auction. Yeah, probably gonna be a light sale today because everybody's probably holding on to everything until tax season. Mustang, Hyundai, Honda, Kia, truck. Morning. Just want to see the type of video quality is going on. Then I'll start recording YouTube videos and it'll make my life so much easier that I don't have to carry my phone around with me. I can just record. That's if I get my prescription put into them. My prescription knocked into these lenses. Be a great thing. We just gonna record. See how good this camera is. Probably about 600 cars out here, so give or take 500 plus. I know it's five. I know it's at least 500 plus. It's plenty of cars all the way over there as well. Super truck over here. Let's see how the interior looks. Yeah, it's gonna bring all the money. It's gonna bring all the money. It ain't too big of a sale. You can see like some of the empty spots. When it's a big sale, there ain't no empty spots. You gotta see what's didn't get ran last week. But what time is it right now? 4 minutes. The auction starts at 9 o'clock, so the auction will be starting in about 4 minutes. So go walk in there and see what's drawing. But go back and look and see. We got missing spots right there. Here. These cars might be already in line, so who knows? We're gonna go inside and see if we win this drawing this morning. Just want to see the type of how good the video and the audio quality came out. Just a little test run.